In this video, we are going to look at the Logitech K380 Bluetooth keyboard. It's light, compact, and cheap as chips. But is it too cheap? Let's find out. So let's start with that price tag. At the time of making this video, the K380 is listed in Amazon for about $30. With the upcoming shopping season, the prices are more likely to be discounted further. I have placed a link in the description for more updated price. Now let's begin with the unboxing process. It comes in a simple green box with the usual prints. Inside the box we have the keyboard and some warranty information and a single printed page for instructions. The batteries are included, making the keyboard usable out of the box. Here we have the dark gray version, but it also comes in other colors as well. Looking closer at the keyboard, it's 27.5 cm in length and 12 cm wide. It weighs about 114 grams with two AAA batteries inside it. It is tad a bit bigger than your average tablet, but not by a large margin. Overall, it is small enough and light enough to be carried in backpack or handbag along with your tablet. What it does not offer is a stand or any mechanism to support or prop up your tablet or phone. That can be a good thing or a bad thing depending on who you ask, but the point here is that the K380 is designed to be completely detached accessory. The pairing process. Simple enough. Long press the color-coded 1, 2 or 3 till the light flashes and then pair your device. It asks for you to type a random number on the keyboard and press enter, and after that it is paired. The 3 buttons allow you to pair 3 devices and change from one to the other at the press of a button. For example, from your phone to tablet to TV. As much as I have used this keyboard, I found this feature to be very useful. This brings us to the business of typing on the keyboard. Me personally, I like full-sized keyboard in its standard 104 keys layout, with the keys being of standard height as well. Here we have neither, but as it turns out, the circle keys do not hinder in the typing accuracy, and the overall size is only tad a bit smaller than a standard keyboard. The respective layout of the keys is to a great degree faithful to standard format as well. This all translates to a fairly seamless typing experience. I did not have to think too much about typing, rather let the muscle memory do the work. And it worked. I have typed a number of pages and I'm of the opinion that I achieved about 80% of my typing speed by the end of the first paragraph. Why is this important? Well, a lot of us are looking at this as a tool, as a means to make work more portable. Yes, that it does. It is portable, being compact and lightweight, and useful as it nearly presents a full-sized keyboard. The build quality is very good. There appears to be no sign of cost cutting. Logitech in this case held on to its brand reputation of making a good quality product at reasonable price. Over the years, I have used many Logitech products, going all the way back to my first Logitech mouse in 1994. And in all these years, if there is one thing I know about the brand, is that it lasts very well. One of the previously reviewed mouse, the M705, it was being used in one of our office computers. This is the footage from 2013, and this is the same mouse now in November 2017. Still alive and kicking. As it turns out, there are a lot of Logitech stuffs around me. The other desk has the G106 keyboard paired with a MX Anywhere laser mouse. This here is a K120 keyboard that was purchased, I believe, as a test keyboard for about $10 or so, and will most likely outlast me. Now, criticism, as we always do in Salesburg. There is no option to recharge, meaning if you are out and about and the battery runs out, you will have to replace the AAA batteries. You cannot bump up the charge using your battery pack. On the flip side, Logitech claims that before the pair of batteries run out, the keyboard will process 4 million keystrokes. It's incredibly large figure, and Logitech states that an average office use amounts to 2 million keystrokes per year, giving the batteries an estimated 2 years before needing to be changed. This should be good enough to counter the no recharge option criticism. Second criticism, or rather a want, is that the keyboard can pair to 3 devices simultaneously. I wish it was the whole top row of yellow keys. 10 devices. I have more things I can pair the keyboard to, but it is what it is. My personal want. 3 is better than 1, I suppose. In conclusion, to answer the original question, is it too cheap? The answer is no. It is a fair product at fair price. Well made, and going by the reputation, should have no issues in day-to-day use for years to come. The K380 successfully remains a simple accessory to perform a simple job, and to do it well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. What you liked or disliked about this video, please make sure to leave a note on the comment section below, and also please make sure to subscribe in order to stay updated with our latest upcoming videos. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.